Hey Zoe, could you check in on room 7? The patient is Chloe.
I promise it really is the best thing for you right now.
You don't know what's best for me.
I can see that you're really frustrated. I need you to work with me and try to relax.
How can I relax when my shoulder's like this?
I don't know if I can stand it here much longer.
My name is Zoe, Mrs. Murphy. I work here. It's nice to meet you.
I don't know you, Zoe. I told you I'm fine. Just go away,
What do you mean? I've been waiting here forever.
stupid cow. Been waiting all bloody day for that doctor. When can I go home?
Look, sorry there's a wait, but we're going as fast as we can. You'll be seen as soon as possible.
Well, that's not good enough. Can't wait any longer.
Get away from me! Get out!
I know you took my bag. You bloody crook.